In a fully connected world, it's the internet that dictates the speed of our daily lives. And when the delay becomes an obstacle and the slowness a barrier, the best solution is Goclick. Introducing dynamism, agility, and flexibility, moving with the world and opening paths to new possibilities. Our connectivity ensures the speed that your subscriber deserves, with the agility that your business needs. A complete solution in optical network infrastructure from end to start without complications. When it comes to excellence for your customers, our network solution allows at every project and every online class our experiences without interruptions. During your leisure time, Goclick ensures that family connections are as strong as your internet connection. With a simple click, it's possible to simplify all networking infrastructure with practical, reliable, and fast installation. We offer the maximum performance for operations demanding flexibility, propelling your performance to new levels of efficiency. Goclick delivers agility to the next level.